Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to explore whether it's possible to use a Subway gift card on DoorDash. So without delay, let's dive in. So you have got yourself a Subway gift card. Maybe you bought it or someone gave it to you as a gift. But if DoorDash is the only platform you use for ordering food, you're probably wondering if there's a way to use it there. Let's break it down for you. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone. From the home screen, tap on Me in the bottom right corner. Next, go to Settings by tapping the Settings option. You'll notice there's a gift card option here. However, this gift card option is exclusively for redeeming DoorDash gift cards. Unfortunately, this means your Subway gift card won't work using this method. Now, if your Subway gift card happens to be a Visa card, there is another option. You can add it as a payment method. Just tap on the credit/debit card option, enter all the necessary details, and save it. But here's the catch. Subway gift cards are typically not Visa cards, so this method won't apply as well. In short, there's no way to use Subway gift cards directly on DoorDash. I hope this video helped clarify things for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.